Look at it. The squirrel is stealing the bird's feed. How cute is that?
It's time for New Year resolutions and #1 Lee Hyundai's New Year's sale. Over 300.
Oh my God, he's doing a yoga trick.
Sellers, the 2013 Hyundai Sonata.
Let's watch.
Early for the best selection. John Lee.
We had fantastic December sales with 2013 Hyundai Sonata.
He just go on and trying to steal. I don't know what he's eating. Must be the one of the seeds, I think.
$74 a month on Lee Hyundai's
Mr. Squirrel.
Go to LeeHyundai.com for details.
We want good trade-in, so we're offering more for your trade. Ask us how to get a new car, but keep your payments.
I think he's eating all the sunflower seeds.
America's best warranty, a 10-year, 100,000
Yeah, he's eating the sunflower seeds.
2013 Hyundai Sonatas get 0% financing or just $174 a month on Lee Hyundai's exclusive option plan.
#1 Lee Hyundai on Skyville Road in Fayetteville or LeeHyundai.com. Doing business the right way since 1987.
I wanted to add a little excitement to my life, so I got some cheerleaders to follow me around and make my everyday moments exciting.